Cheektowaga tonight, a teenager who just graduated from high school is now charged in a fatal hit and run. Police say he actually got out of the car at one point, talked to the people on the scene, and then took off. At New at 6, we've learned the suspect has been in trouble before. Here's News 4's George Rickert.
Nothing ever this serious has happened.
Cheektowaga police are still investigating whether alcohol had anything to do with Sunday morning's hit-and-run death of 47-year-old Ricky Muller. But News 4 has learned that the 18-year-old driver, who is now charged with leaving the scene, had a run-in with police 3 months ago. On May 28th, Devin Scagnelli was charged at Sunset Bay with underage possession of alcohol, having an open container, and littering. He later pleaded guilty to disposing of the container. Police say it may have simply been a case of falling asleep at the wheel yesterday morning, when they say Scagnelli drove his friend's mother's Mustang off the right side of Borden Road, striking Muller before the car jumped a curb. Scagnelli and his friends stopped and got out. That's when a Cheektowaga police officer who had just gotten out of work pulled up on the scene.
Identified himself as a police officer. These two got back in the car and left the scene. You know, if he had stayed there and spoke with the officers and remained at the scene, which is the prudent thing to do, he wouldn't be facing those charges right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Our camera was in Cheektowaga Town Court this morning, but we're not allowed to show Scagnelli in case police need to put him in a witness lineup. He's held on $100,000 bail. George Rickert, News 4 at 6.